Right, got to nip down and turn off the water. Otherwise the hot tub's going to overflow. Now, what I forgot to bring down was a little bit of kindling and a fire lighter to get the fire going. So I have to run back up in a minute and get that. But here it is, one hot tub with a bodgy ass cover. Yep, perfect level, about an inch above the plug hole. There you go. Put my cover wedgie thing back. Otherwise it dips in like this side does. Look. Dips in and soaks the water through. Oh, well. Just going to turn the tap off. And then I'll have a look and see. So there's the log supply at the moment. Yeah, need to light the fire. Right, you wait there. I'll run up and grab some kindling. Right, I'm back. Excuse the heavy breathing, if you can hear that. Don't know if I've mentioned before, it's 9 acres this place, and the hot tub is a little bit away from the shack. Kindling, firelighters. They're wood wool firelighters, soaked in paraffin wax, I believe. Right, I'll get some logs. Got a few here for a minute. What we'll do is we'll put one at the back down the bottom. I don't know if you can you even see in there? No, probably not. That's not that. I'll bring you here. See, right. It's got one at the back like that. And then we'll put a little row along the bottom. There's a half burnt one there that I do. And then hold on, click it back on there. I'm going to light one of these. Basically it's like I said, paraffin wax. So it catches quite easy. Grab a couple more logs. Oop. There's one. Right, so come here again then.
So I'll put that one in the middle there, like that, and then a bit of kindling each side. Wobbly hand, sorry about that. Like that, and then we just pile on a few more logs around that. Get these little burnt bits back in there, or half burnt bits I should say. There we go. Get some more bigger ones and then fill up the gaps. By the time the smaller ones are caught, the bigger ones will be ready to fall on top of it. 1, 2, 3, that'll do. That side. Another one up there like that. And then we'll leave that about probably 45 minutes and we'll come back and check on it again. Basically what that'll do is once the heat builds up, it will start heating that's the cold pipe going in, hot pipe going out. It'll start pulling, it'll heat the water that's already in there, push that'll rise up out the top because heat rises, go out the top, sucking more cold in at the bottom, and just continuous loop like that, heating the water as the fire burns. And then after about 3 or 4 fires, like, you know, each, I'll check that in 3/4 of an hour. And then, hang on, let me turn you around. Turn around. Thank you. Yeah, so I'll check that again in 3/4 of an hour, put some more logs in. I'll fill it right up with logs again. And then that'll be an hour then. I can leave it. And then I'll do the same again and the same again. So it'll have 4 fires in total, and then it'll probably be ready for the guests, by which time they would have arrived and all excited to jump in. There we go. It's all good stuff, isn't it? A bath in the woods, hot bath in the woods. There's no bubbles, there's no electric. But, you know, it's an experience, isn't it? Under the stars by the time it's all nice and toasty in there. Right, back to chopping these trees. Alright, so I got sidetracked. It's been an hour, so we'll first check on the, after we lit it. There we go, burning nicely. So we'll fill that up again now. Get some slightly bigger ones this time. That one. Definitely gonna have to bring some more down. Right, so we got these.
we'll see how this does. Put that right that way. Alright, how much space we got in there? 1, 2. Two bit bigger and one a bit smaller. So we'll go with that one, that one, and eeny, meeny, miny, mo. That one. That one up there. That one doesn't quite fit there. Move it over. That one up there. Look at that. It's too big. He'll go in next time. Oh, there's a stray. We'll put him in. And he can go over that side. Right, that'll do. Come back in another hour ish. We'll have a look in here. Don't know if you can see. See the heat coming out of the plug there? It's already feeling quite warm, but then it's a hot day, so I'm guessing it might not take quite so long to heat up. Anyway, come back in an hour. Right. Oh, still got a bit in there going. That's cool. We'll chuck a few more in there. And then we'll come back down one more time. Hopefully the guests will be here by then so I can show them what to do and they can take over. Anyway, put these over there.